you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize.
Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to bring to you a DIY for a Starbucks Mocha Java Chip Frappe. So for this one, you'll need some chocolate chips. I have this cold brew coffee. It's mocha flavor. As you can see, it is very delish and it's pretty much gone. So I'm just gonna pour the rest of that into this mix. You don't have to have this, but if you do have a cold brew of your choice, you can use that. This is the only type of coffee I'm gonna be using for this video and for this DIY, but it is always optional for you. You'll need your chocolate syrup, some milk, and of course, ice. I have about 2 cups of ice this time around. Just gonna pour that in. You're gonna use some drizzle of sauce. Java Chip Mocha Frappe DIY at home from Starbucks, and it tastes just the same. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video DIY. I'll have more coming. So just stay tuned, subscribe, share, and like. I'll see you in the next one, guys.